we have Memefi pumping 310% on the 24-hour trading volume, a massive 488% ratio to the total market cap. This is what I would call an emergency. We have some amazing opportunities lining up, and I'm gonna show you guys my exact Memefi price prediction and my strategy here for extracting as much capital as possible. I'm gonna take you through the process here live. We're gonna look at the price targets, we're gonna look at the technical analysis and see what this project is heading next. If you nailed the pump, congratulations, you made some massive gains. If you didn't nail the pump, I'll show you my exact strategy to extract capital from this here. There are more opportunities lining up, so don't feel any FOMO. This is the best opportunity to be in right now. We need to look at the reasoning behind the actual price predictions, because otherwise they don't make any sense and we can't really do anything with the information. If we have a closer look at the solidity of the pump, on the 4-hour time frame we have a solid uptrend. On the daily time frame we have a confirmed uptrend, and if we look at faster time frames, on the 1 hour it's solid, and even all the way down to the 15-minute time frame we have a solid uptrend. We also have a great deal of volatility due to the liquidity ratio to the actual trading volume. We have massive amounts of trading volume. We also have a long history of the project here with a massive and very long downtrend, which means we have support and resistance levels along the way. So what can you actually do if you miss the pump and you don't have a trade in right now? What you need to do is find another entry point, and it could be a long position, but it could also be a short position. Something I love to see with projects like this, we can go to another project that I've been trading heavily and I can show you guys the exact process. This is Babylon. It's not a meme coin in the same way. Sorry about all the lines. This is just me actively trading with this project. You guys can see the intense volatility right here in this area here. There is intense volatility. The project is moving fast up. The project is moving fast down. Then all of a sudden, right here and onwards, you guys can see how the project is calming down. The project, the hype is over. The project is calming down. The 24-hour trading volume is slowing down, becoming smaller. People are losing interest in the project. Maybe people have cashed out or are actively cashing out from the previous pump. And then some people are basically they're going from in profit to being not in profit anymore, and they're just slowly selling and losing hope. Heading back to the Memefi graph here, this is what we need to see if we want to short the project. The dangers of entering the project right now is just straight up liquidation. You could end up losing all of your money. You don't have an indication of exactly where the project is going right now. It could be heading straight down, it could be heading straight up, but usually on meme coins or meme related coins, I go for the 4-hour time frame, and this is where I hold the trends. But in order for you to enter the project, if you really want to long this project and ride the uptrend, you can find an entry point on a faster time frame. I head over to the 1-hour time frame and I put in the trade when I get an opportunity according to the trend. I love to put out some support and resistance levels that give me a good understanding of kind of where the project is struggling. You see it bounced on this here, tried to break out here, failed, it tried to break through 2 times before here. 3rd time is the charm, it seems. What we need now is for the project to enter a downtrend on the 1-hour time frame without entering a downtrend on the 4-hour time frame, and that gives us a new opportunity. This support and resistance level right here, this is going to be the best way that this could play out if you want to enter the project. The project struggles, goes down here, bounces, and goes between here, goes a little bit sideways. Anywho, somewhere in between here, you will be getting a new entry point according to the 1-hour time frame. This will be swapping into red. Then you can enter the project. If it turns red on the 1-hour time frame, you could try shorting it. And then when it turns back into green on the 1-hour time frame, that's when you can enter with a long position. If we're trading on a weekly basis, aiming for 5% gains per week, we're compounding weekly. We're doing this for 1 year, starting with 5K. We're going to be up to 63K within a year, 2 years. We're basically going to be retired. So you don't need to do this for very long. It's not a 10-year plan, but it's a solid and a real plan. For the price predictions, it's going to be very interesting because we have some absolutely crazy ratios and a very low market cap. If a project like this takes off big time, you could easily see it do a 5x very shortly. This would put it all the way back up here, which is a very long distance. You guys know the $1,500 challenge that we started here a couple of weeks ago. We're almost up to 5K already. We're just here in with a short position, making some money. But it's all about compounding the gains. If I was greedy with these trades here, it would not go as planned and we would end up just losing money. All I'm thinking about is the 5% on a weekly basis. And that's what getting us from $1,500 to almost 5K already. Please let me know in the comments down below if I should do technical analysis and some price predictions on some other projects. I'd love to do it. I really enjoy doing this here and looking at the mentality behind the projects. I really hate the 30-minute long technical analysis videos that don't really let you make any decisions. This is all about risk management and decision making and riding gains.